Structural analysis is only a part of the engineer's work. It is also crucial to calculate the required reinforcements based on the analysis results. With sophisticated analysis and design, you can now perform such tasks directly within Revit. When you do the design of your concrete members by hand, you do not calculate each of them individually. Instead, you group objects in a logical manner. Members in a similar statical situation will be considered to have the same results, while adjacent members will be designed as a whole. Sophisticated analysis and design offers this workflow with the added advantage of computer power. To create these design groups, there are two parallel ways. Open the design browser via the User Interface button. Within the design browser, use the right click to create a new group and then select the objects which shall be included. Alternatively, you can also directly select one or several elements in Revit and then click on the Design button to directly start the definition. In the tab System, you can then enter the name of the design group. Of course, a project evolves over time, and so does your design structure. With a right click on a group, you can open the contextual menu. There, you can then directly manage the calculation and access the corresponding report, or you can visualize and add objects in this group. As you may have several subsystems in your project, you can also choose which one will be used as the source of results for the design. By default, it will be the system in which you were when you created the group. You can also visualize each element in a group and change its allocation.